What up, everyone? And it has been a very, very, very good month, and it's my hope that everyone is okay. Now, as you remember, we finished the other project, the Lisa AI project. Okay, so after that project, so now we start again a brand new project, which is going to be called the Click. As you can see here, it's going to be called Click. Now, Click is a software designed for the presenters. So in this presentation, we're going to see what is going to be our next project, okay, and what is it going to aim in for, because as you remember that the aim of doing projects is so that to solve a particular situation, a particular problem in the community. So let us look at this project, okay? So what is Click? Click is a software been designed to aid presenters, lecturers, speakers, and all those who tend to use slides in their talks. So let us say teachers use slides. Any presenter in the field, we usually use PowerPoint slides in presenting. So this project is aiming for them. Now, which kind of problems do these people who present face? Okay, let us take a good example here. As you can see, these are our daily presenters. So which kind of challenge do they face? The first challenge is traditional presentation control. So you find that presenters are often tied to their computers, requiring them to be close proximity, advance slides manual. Now, what does this mean? This means that you find that there is a large room, but the speaker is not in full control to go back of the room, because they regularly have to go to their PC, close to their PC, and move on to the next slide. So now this may reduce the flexibility of the speaker to move throughout the room. So that's one of the challenge. So whenever they want to move to the next slide, they have to go closer to the PC. So they are limited to a small environment. And also, as you can see, this presenter is limited to only stay at the front side of near the PC, okay? So this presenter is not fully allowed, it cannot fully move because of this kind of limitation. The other one is limited mobility. Now that is what I meant, that the speakers are not free to move, across the area which they are lecturing, just because they have to stay near the PC and the altar, to allow easy movement of the slides. Okay, connectivity issues. Now, there have been softwares that have tried to solve this issue, okay, by creating another mobile app, but it uses Wi-Fi. Now, this problem is that when you don't have internet, you cannot use this application. So that's another issue. The other issue is audience engagement. Now, when a speaker uses slides only, there are several things that limit the audience from participating. So we can create something that also in the same screen, users can also participate and their participation be shown on the screen. Okay, data security. Now there are softwares that have been tried, that have been developed, right? That uses mobile application as a remote control to help control the movement of the slides, so as to assist the speaker being far away from the computer. But the problem is that most of these softwares usually still they keep the speakers or presenters data vulnerable to threats. Now, so in this particular issue, we are going to build a project that ensures that the data is being well secured, that no privacy is being taken away by the presenter. Yes, the other challenge is high cost. Now, many solutions that I've tried to help assist presenters are usually of high cost. Now, this limit the presenter from taking them, because presenting is not something that is done often, and also maybe other people don't have that much cost. So in this project, we are going to build something that is efficient and that is reliable, and anyone can get available rate. So I'll propose the system. The first thing is that it will solve the issue of mobility, meaning that we are going to create something that is will have a desktop part, which is going to be running the slides, as well as a mobile part which will act as a remote control. Okay, and the remote control in such a way that a speaker can easily, freely navigate throughout the room, and also easily move slides to and back forth using a mobile app as a remote control. Give flexibility to presenters when presenting. Now here we are looking at people who, for example, do maths. So we can provide a window in which presenters can even do calculations, and those calculations are directly projected on the board, on the screen. Now there are going to be very, very many more exciting features to be included in this proposed system. So our main target will be to help presenters in presenting. We are going to analyze the challenges that they face. Then after analyzing the challenges that they face, we're going to solve this, and we're going to produce a system that is going to help. So, are you interested? In case if you're interested, then you're allowed to join. You're bringing ideas. Coming with the, if you wish even to participate in building the project, you are mostly welcome. Okay. Now, as a finishing part, how are we going to do this project? This project is going to be research based in such a way that we're going to start with the analyzing. We're going to do a research analyzing the problems. After the problems, we're going to design a system, and after designing the system, at the end, we're going to test it in real users in universities and in schools, and at the end, we're going to create an article that will explain more about it. So marking this date, we're going to start that project, and wish you luck. It is my hope that you will be fully participating with ideas, and in case if you're a presenter, you can just say what you have seen, so that we may aim at building something that is going to be valuable and that is going to be used by the system. This is Derek Allan Inkia. Have a nice day.